Siding replacement is much better than a paint job, especially as wood siding ages. The ability for it to hold paint decreases. The siding expands, and wood siding expands, it contracts, it takes on moisture, and every time you paint it, that seems like it lasts less and less. So where when it was new you might have gotten 10 or 15 years out of a paint job, as you scrape and sand and expose more of the wood, you're getting 2 to 3 years out of a paint job. And so with painting, paint has gotten more expensive, and as that goes up, the cost of repainting siding has gone up as well. There's also a lot of prep work involved with painting old siding rather than new siding, and so you've got scraping and sanding and recaulking and a lot of those things that add to the labor side of the cost of repainting. And you're not kind of collecting a new maintenance issue down the road. So residing, you're able to get a product on there like James Hardie that the finish is going to hold on it. It's warranted from the manufacturer, that you're not going to have to do anything for 15 years on it.